Bitcoin, a digital experiment from 2009 that somehow became one of the most influential financial assets on Earth. And here we are, December 2025, another year of headlines, fear, speculation, and surprise. Today, we're diving into what Bitcoin has become, why it still matters, and where it might be standing as the world heads into 2026. Not predictions, just the story of how Bitcoin got here and why people still care. The 2025 Reality Check 2025 has been a roller coaster year for Bitcoin. We saw excitement. We saw panic. We saw governments move toward regulation. We saw institutional money expand deeper into crypto. And yet, despite everything, Bitcoin remains what it has always been. A technology, a narrative, a belief system. What makes December 2025 unique is that Bitcoin is no longer viewed simply as digital gold. It has become a macro asset, something watched by Wall Street, central banks, and governments worldwide. Bitcoin is volatile, yes, but in a world filled with money printing, inflation, and geopolitical tension, many see Bitcoin as the one thing that can't be controlled or inflated away. The influence of institutions. 2025 marks the era where institutional players have taken major positions. Hedge funds, pension funds, insurance companies, multi-billion-dollar asset managers, corporate treasuries dipping into crypto for the first time. Bitcoin is treated the way gold once was, a hedge, a long-term store of value, a strategic asset. This institutional wave didn't eliminate volatility, but it fundamentally changed the baseline demand for Bitcoin. And when big money enters a decentralized market, the game evolves. Technology halving and supply. Shock one of the defining moments of 2025 was the post-halving environment. Block rewards dropped again this year. New supply entering the market slowed dramatically, but demand, from both retail and institutions, remained strong. This created what analysts call a supply squeeze, less Bitcoin available. More buyers, greater long-term scarcity. On top of that, the Bitcoin ecosystem continued upgrading. Lightning improvements, new financial products, and integrations with global payment systems. Bitcoin isn't fast. It isn't programmable like Ethereum, but it's predictable. And people trust the rules. That's why scarcity matters. The global shift. 2025 also brought dramatic global changes. Some countries tightened crypto regulation. Others encouraged Bitcoin adoption. CBDCs, central bank digital currencies, continued rolling out. Economic uncertainty pushed people toward alternative assets. In places with unstable currencies, Bitcoin remained a lifeline. In developed markets, it became a hedge. In emerging economies, it became an escape hatch. Bitcoin survives because it solves different problems for different people in different parts of the world. It's no longer a Western tech experiment. It's a global phenomenon. So what is Bitcoin in December 2025? Bitcoin today is many things at once. A speculative investment, a store of value, a bet against inflation, a digital commodity, a long-term hedge, a technological protest against centralized money. But above all, Bitcoin is a belief. A belief in scarcity, a belief in transparency, a belief that financial systems should belong to everyone, not just the powerful. Its price will move. Its volatility will remain. Its critics will speak loudly. But Bitcoin continues anyway. Not because of hype, but because millions of people still believe the world needs it. So what do you think? Where does Bitcoin go from here? Is it becoming digital gold? Or is it still a speculative bubble? Let me know in the comments. I read every one. If you found this video valuable, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more financial deep dives. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.